What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of fishing out here. I'm going with my dad. He's back there at the dock still, but yeah, we're going to see what we can catch. Comment down below and just comment how many you think we can catch today. Let's get after it.
Oh, I forgot my extension.
I know, I'm trying to get over there. Alright, I'm getting out of here. I swear, fishing in the rain just hits different. All right, we're gonna get hooked up here. Figure I'm gonna throw this new swimmer I got. Figure that's pretty good. Try her out. I have to figure out where the camera is. I'm using a chest mount in my iPhone, so camera work might be a little bad, but it's the first time I've done YouTube like this, so we'll just get her done. Also got, probably can't see this, new rod. Really, in my opinion, looks pretty sick on the combo right there, but that's... If I lose this lure, I'm going to literally cry. Why not? All right, there we go. Probably can't see that, but now you can. We got a nice little setup there. We're gonna see if they can catch anything for us. My dad's breaking in his new 6-horse he got today. A little Mercury, just like my little 8-horse, only slower. But yeah, he's gonna try her out. He's breaking it in right now, so he can only go, you know, probably 2 or 3 miles an hour. He literally got it probably less than 2 hours ago. All right, let's get to a spot. All right. Throw a couple here, because why not? This looks actually perfect right there. Okay. That was a terrible cast. Lost my lure. No. Please, no, it doesn't float either. No. Oh, that sucks. Unless it's right over there, that'd be cool. I gotta stop being stupid. Is that it? That's it. All right. it is. Let's go, we got it. I'll try to get under some trees maybe, tie it, because I really don't feel like continuously getting wet here. Well, it's good to know this thing floats, so if I ever do that stupidness, I really need to put new line on this. This reel has like 5-year-old line. Oh, I think I'm just gonna stay right here. This looks like a pretty spot for some mondos, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna time lapse most of this, but let me know if you guys want just full-length videos of just me casting and making stupid little mistakes. Actually, I'm gonna go to the other side. I think we're just gonna post up here, honestly. Oh, did I really? Yeah, that's not good. So I hit the side of my boat, and I'm so stupid. Would you look at that? I think this is a Guggen though. So if you look right there, there's a lot of water on my boat. The only way I see of doing this is Getting creative here. Hopefully I stab myself too, that'd be fun. Probably will. Let's try to get some of this out of here. Yeah, it's a boat. It's gonna get wet. That's good enough. So now my plan is, even though I have that little shaker, I think I'm gonna throw this bad dude on, which he's not exactly bright, and I'm probably not that bright either for throwing him, but I'm gonna see how it goes. Oh, there's so many weeds here. Unless I'm on something? Yeah, no, there's so many weeds. I guarantee it's just all weeds. Lemon says a couple weeds here. So, This was like my main spot too. I was like, I'll catch anything here. If I just cast out. I am getting new line the second we get back. That is ridiculous. What is this now, like a 1 pound test? It's not like the bail was locked. Like, I can see if the bail gets locked and you really give her some oomph. The bail wasn't even locked though. That's ridiculous. Alright, I think I'm going to go get to a little bit more cover. I'll tie up and then I will, oh, that's in gear. That's fun. We'll get to a little bit more cover because that's necessary because it's raining and I don't want to deal with it. But yeah, get to a little bit more cover. Try to figure out how to deal with having a 1 pound test and then we'll go from there, I guess. I'm just gonna pull my motor up a little here because I'm getting in shallow water and I just don't want to, you know. I'm gonna wait here for a minute and you know, just kind of retie, get everything ready. Maybe just wait here for a couple minutes, see if this dies down. All right, so it looks like I'm gonna be here for a little bit. The rain's supposed to get a little bit lighter in like, you know, 10-15 minutes, but it doesn't look like it's gonna stop. I'll put a picture of the forecast I have right now up here. But yeah, we're gonna tie off some lures and maybe just wait it out. All right, so I know there's no point, but I'm just gonna try to throw a couple casts out of here while we wait. And yeah, see what happens. I am stepping on a hook right now. That's great. Yeah, there's no chance. This is probably... Oh, I can't even cast with this thing. because we're casting into the wind. So me and my dad made the call. We're gonna head in just because of the rain and everything. We don't want to. Around a little waiting for my dad, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe, because yeah, I have literally, this is my first actual video. This is my starting point. So when I'm at 1 million subscribers, it'll be cool to say you were one of the OGs. If you are interested in this video at all, I'm probably gonna do a lot of truck stuff too, because I have a Tacoma, a couple of how-tos on fixing stuff. It's gonna be, this channel's gonna be pretty much all over the place, but just enjoy the journey, I guess. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, night, whenever you're watching this.